Well, this is where I landed. I came back to the original spot that I did the last video. But this time there's no fog. So you can see the mountain. That's the mountain I was trying to go to in the ski area. But there's so many people. It was outrageous. Too many people. So there was no way for me to get a good view of the mountain. So I just came back to this spot. And I know you can have a view of the mountain from here. I'll turn it around so you guys can see. Isn't that cool? I love this place. Awesome view of the mountains. That's Mount Baker. Right there, that's Mount Baker. Such a beautiful mountain. It's one of my favorites. Probably is my favorite. But yeah, we found the mountain. That was the only way I could do it, was come back here. But when I first got here, make sure that I'm zoomed out. When I first came here, there was a couple of guys shooting their guns, and I felt bad, but I told them I wanted to get some drone shots, and they let me, and they were cool. And then they left a few minutes ago. But yeah, I'm gonna go to one more spot and then call it good. So it's probably gonna be a short video, but my plans changed. But I'm gonna get some pictures of my car and be good. Maybe I should do a drone shot of it leaving. Maybe, we'll see. But yeah, I'll get some pictures and we'll see you on the other side. Found this cool area, guys. There's Mount Baker. And then I don't know what those mountains are. I have no idea. But I could probably figure it out. But yeah, this is a cool area. Too bad the trees are all cut down. That's the only good thing about these trees cut down, is that you get a cool view. I'm gonna go stand on this step. Get a higher vantage point. Isn't that cool? Yeah. Well, guys, there's Mount Baker right there. It's Mount Baker. This will be the end of the video. I got a couple drone shots. There's one thing I did that I messed up on. When I was going up the road, I had the drone following me, but I wasn't recording. So I got it recording me back down, at least. I didn't want to drive back down and then back up, because I'm running out of daylight and time. I'm about an hour and a half away from home, so the sun's setting pretty fast. But yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, I don't know what else to say except for just leave your comments if you want to. A lot of you are saying that you like to hear the sound of my car, and I like to add music to it, you know, because I'm more about my car, and these videos are more about nature and like where my car takes me. But there's videos on my channel if you want to see them. There's a lot of different types of moments where I recorded my car. I'll probably put a couple in this video, but we'll see. I still got to get back down the hill, the mountain. But yeah, that's such a beautiful view. I can look at that view all the time. Those peaks are awesome. The Mount Baker's over here. There's probably people up there right now climbing, skiing, hiking, all that good stuff. There was a lot of cars over there. But I want to thank you guys again. Say goodbye with my car in the picture. There she is. That car's awesome. I like how it takes me to these places. It's probably not as good as a Jeep, but I would rather have this car because this car is awesome. I love it. It's beautiful. It's turbo. It's all that good fun stuff, and the style I did to it, I love the way it looks. I went through the ski area. I should let you guys know this. When I was going through the ski area and all the parking cars, I don't know if I got it on video. I don't know if I was recording. But everyone was staring at my car. Everyone. They're all like, well, like staring at, especially little kids. They like to look at my car. And then the dads, they're like, whoa, because it's a dad wagon. But yeah, I think it's time to go. I hear a car coming, and I'll talk to you later. Enjoy the video.